our channel. I'm Sukriti.
And I'm Akansha, and we are back with our most favorite drama, Crash Landing on You. Trust me guys, this video was supposed to go way before then now, and you don't know, we have recorded this 3 times. This is the 4th time. But anyhow, we are doing it for the final time now.
So without any further ado, let's get started.
Let me share a funny story with you guys. So during the first lockdown, when I was scrolling through Netflix, I saw Chloe's thumbnail, but it didn't appeal to me that much. So I watched some 2-3 more dramas, and then randomly started with the first episode of Chloe, and bam! I mean, that was it. I just fell in love with it. Be it cast, location, story, backdrop, everything, and especially Hyunbin. I met him there. मतलब शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास, you can see. I don't have words to express how much I love him and like him. I mean, there are so many other actors whom I adore, but Hyunbin is someone else.
Then she told me to watch that drama and
She finished it just I think 2.5 days. It was epic.
एग्जाम्स थे उसके बाद खत्म करना था. Introducing the characters, there's our female lead Yoon Seri. She has a father and stepmother along with 2 jealous stepbrothers and their chalak wives who wants to throw her down. She was also earlier engaged to a heartthrob Woo Sung Joon.
Then we have our male lead Ri Jong Hyuk with his comrades. Always a fighter Pyo Chi Soo, drama geek Kim Joo Myok, handsome Park Gwang Bom and Undong. He also has his family, including his father, who is a high-ranking officer, actress mother, and his stylish fiancée Sodan.
The story shows Yoon Seri as a chaebol heiress of South Korea who has a huge company named Seri's Choice. She goes for paragliding but ends up in an accident and
Lands up in North Korea. And next day, she was caught up by our cute Ri Jong Hyuk, who was a North Korean military captain, and guys, she literally crash landed on him.
then the story goes on and how Jong Hyuk tries to send her back and how they fall in love.
All the events will be there.
The drama had amazing direction and picturization.
I feel every scene was unique on its own, and that tornado and paragliding scene felt so real.
हमें भी तब रियल लगा था ना जब वो ट्रैक्टर ऐसे उड़ के बिल्कुल आ गया था.
Seri must have felt like एकदम से हालात बदल गए, जज्बात बदल गए.
बात बदल दी है, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Every location had some set tone of colors which made the scenes very beautiful.
I heard one of the director was a North Korean defector, and that is why we got to see such detailed life of North Koreans.
Yes, it shows how average North Korean try to live their life and take care of their families.
The show's characters are its biggest element. Lead actor Hyunbin, I mean, the moment I saw him in his military uniform, I just gave my heart to him. Those attractive eyes and beautiful face.
He was just so charming with those broad shoulders, handsome face and those strong arms.
He looked like he is able to protect his woman.
Yes. The scene where he stands up in front of his senior introducing Seri as his fiancée was super adorable.
지금 뭐 하시는 겁니까? 제 약혼녀에게.
My most favorite scene was when Seri almost got killed by Cholgang's men and Jong Hyuk comes on a bike to protect her in a whole filmy way.
Just because he promised her that as long as you are in front of my eyes, I'm going to protect you.
Yes.
I got a big smile on my face watching that scene.
And ये dialogue कितना famous है.
बहुत. And if we are talking about Hyunbin's acting, the whole series shows how good he is. There was a scene when he gets a call from Seri and hears a gunshot. And the call gets disconnected, and when he tries to call it back, the number was obviously not available. It was epic. I mean, everybody, I think everyone will get goosebumps watching that. There was shock, fear, horror, grief, everything on his face. He thinks that he again lost someone close to his heart. He stands stunned, fighting to hold back the tears. And my god, I was literally crying and applauding his acting.
Yejin was as usual wonderful with her acting, and I really liked the fact that her fashion sense and her confidence was just so well
throughout the drama.
हाँ actual में लग रहा था कि business woman है.
And I have heard, I don't know if it's true or not, hopefully it's true, that when they were shooting the scenes of North Korea, she didn't put
put
much
on the
makeup
makeup.
on her face. And उसने ज़्यादातर अपना bare face रखा था, वो बहुत real लग रहा था, because obviously ना she wanted to show that she is not getting any makeup stuff in North Korea.
Actually. And this drama felt so real because they were in love at that point of time.
Kim Jong-un was also amazing with this character of Gu Sung-jun, and he plays a role of a con man. And he was a perfect match for Sodan with all those noble qualities and a little bit of naughtiness and romance.
Yes, I really liked that couple and obviously wanted a happy ending for them.
But I think some characters are there who just cannot get a happy ending. वो किसी भी केस में उनको मिल ही नहीं सकती थी, जो कि realistic दिखाने के लिए it was good to show a not very happy ending.
Also, the show portrays a lot of strong female characters like Yoon Se-ri, who never got scared of any of the adverse situations, and Sodan, who tried so hard to save her relationship and fell in love with Go Sung-jun and saved him many times.
I found her very confident also. And the ladies of North Korean village, they were mostly in comic and gossipy roles, and all of them had a collective crush on Jong-hyuk.
Coming to Yoon Se-ri, she was perfect for someone like Jong-hyuk who doesn't speak his heart out. She was strong and independent but was lonely, but by the end, she got love and support of Jong-hyuk and her mother.
Really, couple aside, every character will make you fall for them with their acting and storyline, be it village ajumas or comrades, especially Pyo Ji-soo. His and Seri's constant bickering will definitely make you laugh many times.
야!
왜? 야, 부추송무.
뭐? 너는 이름이 뭐네?
바보니? 내가 그걸 왜 가르쳐주니?
I really liked her attachment with all the comrades in North Korea and when they reunited in South Korea.
That was a very heart-melting scene.
Yes.
And you remember the moment when they came to Seri's house
Oh.
and they were looking at each and everything with so much surprise.
They were like, ये तुम्हारा घर है इतना बड़ा अकेली रहती हो.
And I also liked those scenes when they were in North Korea, when he was trying to get something out of Jong-hyuk, and he just suddenly shouted at him when Jong-hyuk was like, Pyo Ji-soo, have you shouted at me?
마무리를
그러니까 뭐라고 소개를 했냔 말인다.
표상사 동무 지금 내게 성을 낸 거가?
미안합니다.
Also, the style sense of Seri and Sodan was something else. TVN really focuses on these small but big things and makes the drama just amazing.
I personally found their romance more beautiful in North Korea than in South Korea.
Actually, their struggle was worse in South Korea than North. That's why.
We just want to point out two major things which we found very different and I think
Not clear.
not clear. Not clear is the main correct one. So the first one was when Cholgang shot Seri and when she was in the car, she was shot in the stomach, na? I mean, how is it possible? How is it possible? She was in the car and he was shooting from this level. So she must get shot in the head or in the shoulder.
Chest.
और
portion.
पेट में तो लगने का कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं था, बट ठीक है, क्या कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, and second thing was it was not clear how
Jong-hyuk
Jong-hyuk got to know about the Russian drugs. Though he found those pieces, but
He just found those pieces and some information from the guard, but it was definitely not clear that how
कहाँ
he
से पता
pictured
चला?
the whole drug कि क्या पूरा process है, ये कैसे पता चला, ये बिल्कुल भी clear नहीं था. But I just want to say कि ठीक है, छोटी मोटी
Drama
चीजें
है.
matter नहीं करती.
drama hai.
Let's watch it from a drama point of view.
Yes.
Toy is a well-balanced mixture of rom-com, action and suspense, and it shows a mature love story of Jong-hyuk and Yoon Se.
It shows their understanding and their cute moments of jealousy and love.
We also found out that Hyunbin's favorite scene was when Yoon Se was going back to South Korea at the border and they share a kiss in that moment. And it was shot on Yejin's birthday because come on guys, we know they are in love.
Trust me, we were so happy when on this New Year we got to know about them that they dating.
For 8 months. And we made our moms watch this drama too and they loved it.
Last but not the least, the ending. I mean, why only 2 weeks in an year? पहले भी डिस्कस कर सकते थे ना कि कब मिलेंगे स्विट्जरलैंड में.
But ठीक है, I would say it's good than making them not meet at the end. Let's face it, it was a bittersweet ending.
그냥 길을 따라 걸어가도 다시 여기
Guys, we are really grateful to the makers of the Crash Landing on You because they have given us something very different and Chloe is like a gift to us. So we just want to do one thing for them and it is... With this, it's time to say goodbye for today. We'll meet again with another drama, another review.
Till then, like and share our video and comment down below your views. Are you still in love with this drama or not? And tell us about any other drama you want us to review.
Till then, goodbye.
안녕!